The leaked information about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is creating quite a stir in the tech community, and for good reason. The shift towards a flatter display design is a noticeable departure from previous Ultra models and aligns with the current trend towards flat screens. This change not only impacts the device's aesthetics but also suggests potential improvements in durability, as flatter displays can be less prone to accidental damage. The video showcasing the device highlights the sleeker design, with thinner edges and a reduced front camera hole, contributing to a more refined and premium appearance. The matte finish and classy gray color add to the overall premium feel of the phone. The mention of a lighter and stronger titanium frame is intriguing and implies a commitment to both style and structural integrity. One of the most exciting aspects of the leak is the promise of improved touchscreen responsiveness. Faster and more accurate touch interactions can significantly enhance the user experience, especially for gaming and daily use. It's important to note that this improvement goes beyond screen refresh rate and focuses on the device's ability to sense touch inputs more effectively. Samsung's reservation program adds an extra layer of excitement, offering potential buyers the opportunity to secure discounts and perks for showing early interest in the new flagships. In summary, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's leaked features and design changes indicate that Samsung is aiming to deliver a high-quality and innovative device. The combination of a sleeker design, improved touchscreen responsiveness, and the reservation program make it an enticing option for smartphone enthusiasts. It will be fascinating to see how consumers respond to these enhancements when the device is officially unveiled.